Oh, Jesus! Okay, we about to go on the track right now. I already did 2 laps, well, more than 2 laps. I went on here 2 times, but now I got my girl with me. She about to get on the track and experience it from the driver's side, so she'll have nothing to hold on to. So she about to feel all these curves. So enjoy this.
I'm so scared, guys. Oh my God, babe.
Oh yeah.
Oh my gosh,
We
sweet
about
Jesus.
to get on. We just slow creeping. Help
Yep.
us, seatbelts on?
Yes.
All right, we just getting on. See, I can't make this up. Okay, last time.
Oh my God!
Just not getting started.
Oh Jesus! Oh my God! Oh Jesus! My cheeks hurt. I'm smiling too hard. I'm so excited. Okay. Okay, calm down, calm down, calm down.
As soon as you calm down.
Yes! That's what the hell I'm talking about! Yes! I feel so alive!
About to hit that straightaway.
Oh man! Oh my
Man,
gosh!
y'all don't understand how good these brakes are, man. Doing like a $130 and then coming to a complete stop. Like this is like it's crazy. It's hard to explain, and you really have to take your car to the track. And I'm racing a new Camaro. Man, show the new Camaro real quick.
This is the new Camaro.
Yeah, buddy, that's the SS1LE.
And she is in front of us. Yes, I said she.
Yeah, she excited about that. Oh my God.
Oh, Jesus. Oh. Oh my gosh, babe. Woo. Oh my gosh.
You got Midnight behind me.
Let me show Midnight. Hey, Midnight. Oh. Did you just drift? Did you just drift? Oh my gosh.
Look, Camaro's right here.
Babe, can I stick this out the window or no?
I wouldn't do it because we got signals
Okay.
for us drivers.
Camaros in 3s.
This is where we live, man. This is where Camaro's are.
Oh. We're drifting. We are literally drifting, people.
Okay, let me stay focused. I can't believe I'm racing with a beast. The ZL11LE and the Camaro SS. Oh.
Oh my gosh.
Oh yeah, let them enjoy it. Don't understand.
Oh my gosh.
That ZL1, y'all. That ZL1 is a beast, man. That thing grips the curve.
Oh.
That thing grips the curve. Like, that horsepower is something else, man, that GM give you.
Can y'all hear this? I hope y'all be able to hear these tires.
And that's the Nitto G2s. That was I telling you about, to see how well these tires perform. And they are gripping. I mean, the camber on the car is like treading perfectly. I can show you guys that. But going around these curves, these S-shaped curves, man, it's awesome. And another thing, that track mode, it's like at home. It's like riding on sport.
You guys, he's drifting.
This automatic, man, it's something else. It's shifting for me.
There's somebody right behind you.
But that straightaway. That's sponsored by Midnight himself. Major shout outs to Midnight, because if it wasn't for him, I wouldn't be here. You know, he sent the invite to me. And then behind me, we got the ZL1. Not the ZL1, I'm sorry. We got the ZL6.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Woo. Ah. You guys, this is crazy. This is crazy. Jesus, if y'all could see what we see.
Man, these stock brakes are so good. So good. They're great They create a lot of brake dust, I know that.
Oh, I smell that rubber.
Yeah, these brakes, oh man, they're very good.